Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix iMessage pictures not showing, it's stuck on loading. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. If you try to download picture from iMessage and it's not working for you guys, then you have to open setting first, and after that you have to make sure that you are properly connected with internet. If you don't, just simply you have to turn the tool on for airplane mode at least for the 6 seconds, then turn it off, and after that check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then let me tell you that you have to change your network connection with mobile data to Wi-Fi or vice versa, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And once fix that guys, then what you need to do is just simply have to open settings again, and now from here you have to scroll it down. So from here guys, you have to tap on general, and then you have to go to software update and make sure that you have updated your device to the latest version, and after that check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then you have to make sure that you're not connected with VPN, and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to open setting. From here you have to scroll it down a bit, and you have to make sure that you have turned on iMessage toggle from here. Now from here you have to scroll it down, also make sure that you have turned on send as SMS. Now from here guys, at the end you have to change your email address into phone number. If you're using email for iMessage, just simply change it to your phone number, and after that restart your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.